Hello everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In this video, I'll show you how you can add post slider in your WordPress blog like this using Divi page builder. To add a similar looking post slider in your WordPress blog, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Once you successfully logged into your post, go to post and click on add new. Now here you have to add post title. I will add post slider and publish the post. After publishing, click on use Divi builder button. Now the Divi builder asks you to choose a layout. I will select build from scratch and click on start building button. Now here select a single row and search post slider. As you can see the post slider module. Click on it. Now here you can select post count, how much post you want to show. I will select, you can select 6 or 10 posts. If you have multiple posts in your website, you can limit them. You can change categories. I will select these categories. Now you have a sorting option. You can sort them by new to old or from title. I will select A to Z. Now add read more button. I will add show more. Now here you have content display setting. You can show excerpt or entire content. When you click on entire content, now here you can see a preview. It will show all the content of your blog. Now here you can see the title and the entire content of blog. But I will select excerpt. Now change the excerpt length. I will add 50 words. Now you can see it will limit it to 50 words. Now in elements you can show or hide arrows. You can show or hide controls and read more button or show post meta like this. Here the author name, the publishing date and category or comment. When you hide this, you will never see a post date and author. I will make it yes. You can change settings of feature image. Now go to design. From overlay, you can use a background overlay like this. When you click it yes, you can change this background color. I will select this color. Now collapse this one. Go to navigation and change navigation color of these arrows. Now select black and it will appear like this. Now from dart navigation color, I will make it black. Now collapse this one and go to this text section. Here you can change alignment of this text section. Now I will select center. Now go to title text. Click on this pencil button. Now you can hide this title text. I will add font style to Alata. This one. Now make it bold. Change its color to yellow. Here you can change size. 45 is perfect. Now add shadow and it will appear like that. Now collapse the title section and go to this meta section. Now here I will add actor and make it bold. Change its color to green and size to 19. 18 is perfect. Collapse it and go to this content section. Now change its style to Acme. Weight, make it bold. Change its color to red and size to 20. Now you can see it will appear like that. Change its color to white. Now go to button section. Here you can change the style. Click on yes. Now change the background color to black or white. I will select black. You can also add background color like yellow, this one. Now click on this tick button, go to three dots and save the post. Now you have successfully updated the post. Just go to exit visual builder button. Now here you can see a live preview of this post slider. When you click on these arrows, the next post will appear like that. Now you can see I have selected 6 limited, but in selected categories I have only 5 posts. That's why it will appear only 5 posts in my slider. Hope you learned something in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi Builder. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.